Hi, Kurumi here. Today's recipe is Japanese cream stew. Start by slicing a carrot into bite-sized pieces. Remove the stem bottoms from the mushrooms. Then cut each mushroom in half. Cut the potato into medium bite-sized pieces. Cut the onion into bite-sized pieces. Cut off 3 florets of broccoli and cut each in half. Cut 2 boneless chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. Measure out 100 ml of white wine and 150 ml of water. Pour about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil into a hot casserole. Add the chicken. Fry until the chicken has slightly colored. Add the carrot, potatoes, onion, and mushrooms. Give everything a good stir. Add the white wine, a generous sprinkle of black pepper, and salt. And the water. And half a chicken stock cube. Simmer for about 15 minutes or until the potato has softened. Meanwhile, add a little salt to a small pan of boiling water. Add the broccoli and simmer for 3 minutes. Next, measure out 200 ml of milk. Add 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Give the milk a quick whisk. Prepare 30 grams of butter. Add the butter to the stew. Stir until the butter is melted. Now add the milk and flour mixture. Stir the milk into the stew. Cook for about 5 minutes. Adjust the seasoning if necessary. Add the broccoli. Cook for 1 minute. Your Japanese cream stew is ready. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.